This video is going to show you how to use the camera on the Chromebook. App launcher in the bottom left, up arrow, camera. This is how you take stills. I do not recommend using the video here if you are going to submit it to Google Classroom. It records in a file format that just doesn't seem to work with Google Classroom. So that's how you would do it. You would click this button, but like I said, don't do that for Google Classroom. Okay, the best way to then interact with these photos is through this gallery down here. So here I can delete photos with the trash can up here. And there are a few different views that you can experiment with there. There is a file explorer in App Launcher. Here, I've been using it, so it's there or here. But you can't delete from within here for some reason. It's read only. So images, you can see the images, but it's read only. There's no trash can. So best way to do it is through here.